Seac L30 new long blade polymer fins. Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about this new product by Seac. It's 100% designed and made in Italy, like all the polymer and plastic equipments by Seac, including masks. They have a complete new era in their warehouse near Genoa where they actually produce all the plastic material equipment. So guarantee of made in Italy, of course. The fins, as you can see, are polymer blade fins. The interesting thing is that Seac has studied the new polymer for more reactivity. Of course, you won't have the amazing reactivity of composite blade materials, but definitely it's a good quality product. The thickness is variable, thinner at the tip and goes thicker near the foot pocket. The bending is parabolic, which is the most modern solution for best thrust and efficiency of the kicking or the finning. What you will notice is that the foot pocket is one piece with the blade, so it's molded together. This of course is less comfortable if you need to travel. You cannot dismantle the foot pocket from the blade, but at the same time it's the best connection you can have between the two parts. It's practically a solid connection, so very good transfer of force from the foot to the foot pocket to the blade. You will notice that there are two small side water rails here which help where it's needed at the tip, but they don't go longer, so they don't interact with the bending of the blade. Also the foot pocket, it is built without side rails, as you can see, almost null, and this is another modern solution to avoid the interaction of the side rails with the blade, which must act on its own. This is the best efficiency solution. The foot pocket is a very light, soft solution. It's surely very comfortable, adaptable to most feet. The base has a harder part until the mid-length of the foot pocket where the blade actually is inserted. Then it becomes a little bit softer. This is of course thought for a fin which is not a high performance fin. Of course, it's a good value for money, good quality and good resistant fin. It's thought for dive down to 10-50 meters maximum or shallow water, both in spearfishing and freediving. These nerves here of course stiffen the first part of the blade, but as you can see the bending is quite uniform and very nice. There's no rigid part, so the action of the blade should be very effective. We'll test it. What else? Well, we like the details of the foot pocket and the external design of the blade for sure. Let's measure the length of the blade. From the tip to the front of the foot pocket is 67 centimeters. Again, we know it's a long blade, and the width at the tip is 22 centimeters. We can also weigh the Seac L30 fins. This is a 43-44 foot pocket. Of course, the bigger the foot pocket, the higher the weight. But here we go, 835 grams overall, which is quite a light fin for a polymer blade solution. Of course, glass fiber and even more carbon fiber blades weigh much less, so the fin overall is lighter, but the foot pocket is very light itself. We can feel it, and this helps to have a very light solution. Okay, I hope you liked the video. We're going to test these fins. If you want to follow us, just follow the channel, put like on the video if you like the video, click on the bell if you want to be advised when we'll have more videos like this one or the testing of these fins and other products. You can also go on apneapassion.com international web magazine. It's a free magazine where you will have all the details, the charts of the measures and the information about the new Seac L30 fins.